But before that, let's go back to our panel. So we have our panel this way, and we said the long span is our ly, the short span is lx. Now let's label this horizontal grade line as a, and the one beneath as b. So this is also the horizontal grade line at the bottom, and then our vertical grade line as 1, grade line 1. Let me put it in. So that's grade line A, and this is grade line B. Same applies to this side, and this, let's name this grade line as 2. Right. So our first condition will be when we have the trapezoidal loading on the longer span and the triangular loading on the short span. Okay. The first line of code for this condition will be an if statement. So say if r, now r is a function, if r is less than 2, then we are going to print a statement showing the tributary area on the grid lines. So this will be print brackets. We are putting a string character in there. Tributary area on. So let's check the grid lines. So we'll have a trapezoidal load distribution on grid line A and grid line B, provided the ratio of our ly to lx is less than 2. So tributary area on beam A and B equals trapezoidal. Then the next line of code will be, you can copy this one and paste it down, and then we'll change that to grade line 1 and 2. So that will have a triangular load distribution, right? So tributary area on beam 1 and 2 is triangular. Let me clean that out. So triangular. We have an error here, and the if has to come back. Still we have an error here. Okay. Alright, so that's fine. Now we can run the code at this point. So let's use the same values. 4,500, enter. 6,700. Okay, so it's working perfectly now. So tributary area on beam A and B is trapezoidal, and tributary area on beam 1 and 2 is triangular as expected. So that's what we